Ka Jingkynnoh ka National People's Party ka jing Troin jo ka Congres da ka ba kynthoh baka party ka bakla ban jied yo nongialam da ka ba ongru padai ka por balayalam Rahul Gandhi baka Congres ka hiar bat Khubor hakarihi baroh kawei. Na ka liang ka Anuma Archarya ka padai ka nong ktein jo ka Congres kalau ong ka Jingkynnoh ke NPP kalong ka shong nia eiei.
You name one opposition leader who is as fearless as Rahul Gandhi in asking questions to the government. They are so afraid of him that they ruined his image. They have spent crores of rupees to ruin his image. Everybody knows that. The Bharat Jodo Yatra has changed that perception. People now know that he is one person who comes from the family of martyrs, and he is going to take the country because he loved the country so much. It is Bharatiya Janata Party, its motive is served when somebody makes that kind of statements.